Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our amazing offer that will truly change your life and help you achieve your goals in days rather than months or years. We call it Fast Tracks. Fast Tracks is a comprehensive program designed to help you overcome any obstacle, limitation, or obstacle that is preventing you from reaching your ultimate goals. Whether it's weight loss, career advancement, or personal growth, our program has you covered. It works like this. First, we thoroughly understand your goals, aspirations, and current situation. This allows us to create a personalized roadmap tailored to your unique needs. Next, we identify the key steps and actions needed to get you from where you are to where you want to be. These steps are divided into manageable tasks, each with a specific deadline and action plan. This way you have a clear plan to follow and know exactly what to do each day to make progress. But best of all, we offer support and guidance every step of the way. Our team of professionals is dedicated to helping you stay on track, stay motivated, and believe in your ability to achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and achieve your dreams, why wait? Sign up for the Fast Tracks today and start your journey to success. Remember, the faster you go, the further you can go.